Please prove something right now. Otherwise, the future will play a game with you. Have you ever thought of the thing? Inspiration is not a thing which is to be given from the outside. It is within. My intention is that I just don't want to make you all engineers, doctors. I just want that every one of you must be a true human being. Only the term of inspiration throughout your life. No need of any motivation to you, my dear darlings. अरे लाइफ में ऐसे है, one after the problems will come to you. It will never end till you die. Don't just die for the problems, he said. We will not fail when we are 100% ready to sacrifice everything. You must be ready to do that sacrifice. अगर आज कुछ कर कर दिखाओ ना तो भविष्य तुमसे खेलोगे. Please prove something right now. Otherwise, the future will play a game with you. Sacrifice. And that, what is that? The next I? Inspiration. What are the two letters of the first inspiration? I? Have you ever thought of the thing? Inspiration is not a thing which is to be given from the outside. It is within. It is there in. It is there in you only. Within. W for with, I and win. If you notice that inspiration is within me, that is what W and win. Did you understand? Yes, very good. Inspiration. Okay? See, we must hold it. At the back, somebody is speaking. Am I boring? Shall I stop? If you want me to stop, I will go away, no problem. If you feel any discomfort with my language, if you feel any discomfort with my talk, no problem. I came in a car and go in a car. Nothing about anything. I am not bothered. Because my intention is that I just don't want to make you all engineers, doctors. I just want that every one of you must be a true human being. True human being. See, lock your hands like this. Sit straight. All of you say with me. I told you two letters. One is S for sacrifice. I for inspiration. Sit straight. Close your eyes. I will show you how we have to identify, where we have to identify that inspiration. Close your eyes. Put that locking hand near your heart like this. Close your eyes. Don't laugh. This is not a laughing club. What are the sacrifices that really we can notice and notify the true inspiration within ourselves? I will tell you right now. Imagine everything that what I am telling. Close your eyes. Don't open it. This is a golden chance to notice our own inner strength, own inner potency. Inspiration. Inspiration is within our own soul. It is there in our every atom. It is there even in every blood cell. Please have faith in yourself. My dear darling, if you wish, you can achieve, or you can get success, or you can want anything. If you want to get anything, you can get it. My dear friend, please notice that there is infinitude. There is infinite power within your own soul. You are gifted with wonderful vision, beautiful listening, with superb verbal form of speech. Your touch, your action, your remembrance, your memory, your capacity of brain, your heart, your lungs, your kidneys, your brain, your vital organs, everything is functioning very properly. It is all because of the very inspiration of your own life. My dear darling, please notice that it's needed just a bit of sacrifice from your end. Please do that sacrifice right from this moment. Not just up to your education, till to the end point of our death, we must sacrifice. The Veda says, na karmana, na prajaya, dhanena, tyagainaike, amrutatva manasaho. Tyagainaike, do sacrifice, amrutatva manasaho, which is amruta. You will get the point, you will reach the point of amrutatvam. My dear friend, you are born to prove yourself. You are born on this earth to prove yourself. Your existence in this life must have some meaning. We just should not leave a handful of ash for the next generations and next people to follow and to take as a legacy, as a mark of our life. Our thoughts, our words, our deeds, our sacrifices, our inspiration must show some path, some inspiring path, some innovating path, some great paths for the coming generations. Because we all are that very embodiment of true inspiration. It is there within you. Realize that. Control your mind. Control your mind. Control your mind. Control your mind with that very inspiration of conscience. Buddhi. Buddhi. We call it Buddhi. You please control your mind with that Buddhi. Sat Buddhi. With that conscience. Please control your mind. Mind has no meaning. It is not having any discrimination of good and bad, but control it with your inspiration. Do sacrifice right from this moment. Wherever you are, how you are, what that you are, but always possess that very energetic, most spectacular, inspiring strength through you, from you. Come on, my dear friend. That inspiration is there within your own soul. Please recognize it. Please identify it from this very heartbeat which you are touching, from within the very locking of your hands, where you are just imagining everything. You take a oath, you take a pledge, just swear that my life must have a meaning. I should lead my life only with positivity, not with any shade of any negativity. My dear darling, your life is there to show a light path to someone else to walk. Don't just be a normal person, because you are not ordinary. You are extraordinary. You are not just general. You are not even special. You are unique. You are unique. Everybody, without opening eyes, say, I am unique. I am unique. I am unique. Very good. Just open your eyes and prove your strength by clapping, and make the sound. Make some sense of that inspiration which flows from our every soul, which flows from every mind, which flows from every heart. How did you feel? Nice. Awesome. Wow. Superb. His inspiration is there within you or not? Is some motivation is needed? No. No. No term of motivation right from this moment. Only the term of inspiration throughout your life. No need of any motivation to you, my dear darlings. My dear friends, please remember this. Please remember this. We need a bit of what? Yes, sir? Please, aloud. Say it aloud. Can we do it or not? We can do it. We can. We can. P-O-S-I. What is next? Next. What is it? T. Next. What is it? T. Time. Time sense. Time sense. We are saying that we are wasting time. Many of your lecturers, many of our parents, many of our teachers, many of our well-wishers might be saying that you are wasting the time, you are wasting the time, you are wasting the time, you are killing the time. No, I don't say those two words. I say that we are not wasting the time, we are not killing the time. The time is killing us every moment. If this date, 1st of February is past, there is a date which we have killed in our life. Aish. That entire lifespan is called Aish. It is limited. It is just limited. It is just fixed by the God. There are only 2 important days in one's life. Can you please tell anybody? अरे इतना लोग हैं यहाँ पर कोई भी बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. अरे okay, thank you very much. I am closing it. But tell me, there are only 2 important days in one's life. What are they? One is birthday. Second is death day. Oh, Taddinam. Arey, what? After death, what is that? Death day is not a second important day. Okay? So, what is the second important day? One is birthday, second is not death day, not successful day, not marriage day. She is saying that today. No, I am not sure whether today the second important day is today or not, but I can say one thing is that the first important day in anyone's life is birthday. The second important day one in anyone's life is the day we realize that why we are born. Thank you. I repeat it and then you clap. The first is birthday. The second day is the day when we realize that why we are born. What an important day. If you people think of, if you people can take a oath, if you people can transform right from this moment, if you people can change your life right from this second, from this moment, maybe this is the most important, the second important day of your life, because the time is fixed, my dear. Ray, अरे यार सुन लो, the death point, the end point is fixed. One thing is very essential. I have been looking here and there. Somebody is jumping from the 5th floor and taking their life out. Just for a matter of rank. Ray, don't you think of the parents which they have shared their blood, flesh, sweat. They're everything for you. They're everything for you. Is this rank the most important? Is this the mark very important? Yes, I do say it is very, 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 very important. But our life is more important than anything in this world. Than anything in this world. Don't just give up for a single silly reasons. Don't end life for silly reasons. Suicides have become a style of this world. No, darlings, we must live. See, a person with disability of blindness, I would have died some thousands of times if I want to die. I would have died some thousands of times. If I lift my होता है ना bottom, if I lift my pajama under the knee, you can see all marks where I hit. I bared many pains. अरे somebody says, अरे sir, क्या है sir? Problem sir, मरना है sir. A little story that I want to tell you. Listen to me very carefully. One guy like you is fed up with his work. There are many difficulties, many hardcore time is coming into his life and family. Many difficulties, many sorrowful things, many struggles. अरे बाबा क्या है? One after one. ये जो goods train जो होती है ना, ऐसे है हमारा जीवन. वो बहुत लंबी है. One after bogie, one after. Never it will get end. Of course it will end after 70 or 80 or 90 or 100. But our life on this globe is very much meaningful. But this guy is not knowing the value of life and he wanted to die. So before dying, he thought of to go to a sadhu, a sannyasi, a monk who is staying in the town. उनके चरणों में जाकर, स्वामी जी मैं मरना चाहता हूं. क्या है? हर रोज कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. ये जो मैथ्स है ना, इसमें अच्छे तरह से लिखने से, जो अब फिजिक्स टीचर आते हैं, ये पढ़ो, अम्मा माँ जो फोन करते हैं, कैसे ही तू अच्छा पढ़ रही है ना, कैसे मार्क्स आ रही है, अम्मा खाना मत मेरे दिमाग को. You people are very smart. When I asked my daughter after coming from the exam, how did you give your exam? Very well. Oh, very superb, Dad. When marks are announced, message comes to my mobile, to my wife's mobile. Hey, Ray, what are these marks? तू लिखो एग्जाम, तुझे मालूम पड़ेगा कितना डिफिकल्टी है. अरे मैं क्यों लिख दूं तेरा एग्जाम? तेरी स्टडीज है. It is your studies, your exams. You have to study on your own. So this guy is not knowing the value of life and went to a monk. स्वामी जी मैं मरना चाहता हूं. बेटा, you are decided. Okay, you die. But tomorrow morning you please die, not today. Okay, स्वामी जी. आज की रात मेरा साथ रहना है. ओ क्या है स्वामी जी. Okay, after 9 o'clock in the night, the monks, Swamiji had taken that guy. बेटा उठो, हम जाएंगे बाहर, शहर के बाहर जाएंगे. ओके जाएंगे, ये आखिरी रात है, घूमेंगे इधर उधर. स्वामी जी चलो. स्वामी जी ने उनको एक डेजर्ट पर, स्वामी जी had taken him to a desert. स्वामी जी, what we are going into a desert land at the edge of this शहर जो डेजर्ट है ना, क्यों हम जा रहे हैं इस रात में? बेटा आज की रात मेरा साथ. Okay, they went to a farmer who had some 100 and above camel. They went to a farmer who is having some 100 and above camel. Okay, बेटा देख लो, आज रात तुझे यहां पर ही सोना है. You have to sleep here only. Where the camels are there only you have to sleep in a corner. अरे ओके, certainly मुझे नींद आ रही है स्वामी जी, मैं आई वॉन्ट टू स्लीप. ओके बेटा सो जा बच्चे, सो जा. बताना. पर स्वामी जी ने बताया, यू हैव टू माइंड वन कंडीशन. CNG applied, condition applied. You please sleep after all camels are slept. After every camel must have to sleep, then only you have to sleep. That is the condition. Oh, अभी 10 बजे हो रहा है, 11 बजे सब कैमल सो जाएंगे, मैं भी सो जाऊंगा. He passed his whole night without a single note of, without a single minute in sleep. He wants to sleep. One camel sleeps, another camel stands. Another camel sleeps, another camel stands. Another camel sleeps, another camel stands. After the sunrise in the morning, Swamiji came to that guy. Hey, beta, raat, kaisa hai neend? Kaisa hai neend? How is the sleep? What, Swamiji? They are camels. One after one. Someone is getting up, someone is sleeping, someone is getting. रात पर नींद ही नहीं है स्वामी जी, क्या करूं? अब मरना है, मरूंगा मैं. अब भी मरेगा क्या? अरे लाइफ में ऐसे है, one after the problems will come to you. It will never end till you die. Don't just die for that problems, he said. See, Swamiji said, a pleasure is an interval between two pains. What a classical statement. A pleasure is an interval between two pains. You understand? Pain will follow between two pains. The pleasure comes, we have to enjoy that pleasure, we have to bear that pain. We have to bear that pain and enjoy that pleasure. Vice versa it is. Please ever just don't enjoy the happy moments, but also enjoy the pains. That is the real enjoying the time of life, my dear friends.
Like this video, share this video and subscribe to Lhasa Foundation YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Do write your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment box and ask for more new videos on which subjects you want. Support Lhasa Mission.